Welcome back to Shaving Down Under. We've got a quick unboxing. It was a beautiful case. A Gillette scalpel. Or office knife. And let's get in. Shouldn't be too hard to get into this one. Not at all. Just careful putting that back. And open it up. Ooh, yeah. It's a little bit different for me. So it's not Gillette, and as you can see there, Eveready. I wonder if that's the top. Let's assume this is the top. There we go. So just sort of been slightly interested in some of these single blade razors, and they do sell quite cheap, and if you're patient you can get really nice ones cheap. Sorry about that, just a local nutcase. Okay, so yeah, so if you look around you can pick these up really cheap. For whatever reason, they're just not. A lot of fellas collect them. Oh, put my glasses back on. So we've got the Barflex single edge blades. Well, I don't think I'll be using any of them, but you can buy these single edge blades brand new. You can find them on eBay. I've seen a bit of use this one, lots of plating around there, which you would expect. Quite a hefty handle too, with weight. Doesn't screw all the way in. That's interesting. Wonder if this has been piecemealed, or there's a collar there, a washer of some sort missing. So that's how we go. Blade slides down in there. Oh, well, I'll probably give this a shave somewhere down the track once I get my blades in from America. That's quite interesting. I wonder if this is actually a proper match, or I've been stooged. But the handle feels nice anyway, so. Anyway, no worries. Hope you enjoyed that video. And we'll be back soon with another unboxing. Ciao for now.